Journal, definition, journal in a sentence, journal pronunciation, journal meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of journal. Journal. Jour-nal. Journal. Journal as a noun means a newspaper or magazine that publishes material on a particular subject, or a diary. Common usages in academic writing: a journal publication, a journal article, a top-tier journal, a scientific journal, an academic journal, an issue of a journal, to submit to a journal, rejected by the journal editor. Example sentences: journal, noun. The articles published in the journal Science often get cited in other research. Example sentence number 2. He was a prolific author and researcher that published over 50 journal articles in just 10 years. Example sentence number 3. Astronauts on their trip to the moon journaled every day to keep track of their observations. Please write a sentence using journal in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of journal, the meaning of journal, and journal example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.